Did you know that over 250 million disposable HVAC filters end up in the landfill every year? And every time you buy one, you are contributing to the problem. And disposable air filters are made with fiberglass, cardboard, and some plastics. They're not great in the environment and they do not break down quickly, so they last a long time in the landfill. Maybe even forever, I'm not too sure, but they last a long time. And replacing disposable filters every 2 to 3 months, it really adds up. And that's why I love the Cycle Air Washable Reusable HVAC filter. It's made with 100% recycled materials and is a one-time purchase. And believe it or not, but even AI confirms that a reusable, washable filter has less impact on the environment and will save money compared to disposable filters. But you don't need AI to tell you this. It's actually common sense. And I think Big Filter doesn't want you to know this. The filter shows up in a compact cardboard box. It's easy to assemble, and in less than 5 minutes, you are saving money and reducing waste in the landfill. Installation is quick and easy. Just lay out the frame pieces on a flat surface and overlay the notches. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble the frame with the included screws. Once the frame is assembled, you'll slide the filter cover onto it. The middle of the filter cover where the patch is stitched on will align with the middle part of the frame. The round holes in the middle bar of the frame are what indicate when the filter is dirty. The filter is a durable woven material that provides a MERV 7 rating. It has hundreds of micropleats that increase surface area and ensure good airflow with a low pressure drop. When it's dirty, simply just take this filter cover off, throw it in the washing machine, and then when it's clean, put it in the dryer and let it run for a while and get static electricity on it. The filter cover does have this little tag on there with an arrow that points to the return side of your HVAC system. So you want to filter the return air. The filter also comes with a handy duct magnet to write the date you last cleaned the filter with a dry erase marker. The cleaning interval of the filter will be dependent on your home. Most homes will require cleaning every 2 to 3 months. If you have a dusty home or you have a lot of pets, a lot of hair running around, what's that even mean? You have a lot of hair in your house from pets, you may need to check and clean the filter more often. Now, if you want to save even more money, click the link in the description to save 10% on your order. It's not available on Amazon, so you'll have to grab it at cycleairfilters.com. So if you would like more information, you can check out their website or comment below any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.